Hi, I'm Tanya Choi. I'm a dietitian at St. Paul's Hospital. For all of you who are curious how I turn these black beans into these delicious chocolatey brownies, keep watching. It's very simple. So you'll need a can of black beans, which I've rinsed very well, some vanilla, some vegetable oil, some rolled oats, some baking powder, some cocoa powder, and I've used only 2 tablespoons of sugar for the entire recipe. You can feel free to use a sugar substitute. So now I just have to add these chocolate chips into the batter. And these are the finished brownies. They have protein, fiber, lots of chocolatey flavor, and I bet no one, not even your picky kids, will be able to tell that these are made from black beans.